This is Mickey, and today I have for you a fantastic workout that you can do anywhere. Let's get moving to stay in shape. The Mickey way.
Let's begin with a brief warm-up to prepare our bodies for the workout. It is time to elevate our heart rate by engaging in enjoyable cardio exercises. Let's commence with a few classic jumps. This is an incredible technique to get our heart rate up and the energy flowing throughout our body. Ensure you maintain a steady pace and remember to take deep breaths. You're doing an outstanding job. Let us go. The subsequent step, ass kickers. This workout is ideal for getting your legs in motion and raising your heart rate. Try to bring your heels up to your glutes and keep a lively pace. Feel the burn and enjoy it. Let's enhance our strength with effective exercises. It is now time to do squats and work on building our muscles. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and lower yourself as if you were sitting in a chair. Maintain an upright chest position and exert force through the heels to stand up. This exercise is great for strengthening the muscles in the legs and glutes. Stay strong. Let's focus on strengthening the upper body with a set of challenging push-ups. You can perform this exercise either on tiptoe or on your knees. Lower your body down with control and then push up, engaging your chest, arms, and core muscles. Remember, maintaining good form is crucial. You have got it. Let us go ahead. Now let's shift our focus towards flexibility and balance. Transition to warrior, a stance that improves your balance and stability. Spread your arms, bend the front knee, and feel the stretch and strength in your legs. Keep your posture, take a deep breath, and embrace your inner warrior. For our last pose, let us balance using the tree pose. Concentrate on one leg and position the other on the calf or thigh area. And find your focus. This position improves balance and centers the mind. Experience a sense of groundedness while extending yourself like a tree. Excellent work. Now, let's relax and elongate those muscles to cool down.
Thank you for joining me. Remember, staying fit can be enjoyable. Don't forget to visit my page. See you next time for more fun and fitness. Bye!